Okay. How will you protect the sovereignty? इधर सबसे ज़्यादा important है because you guys have to go and write the exam and then whosoever qualifies has to go and appear for the SSB. Trust me, whatever I'm going to talk today, I'm going to talk right from the grassroots. एक बोर्ड बनाया है मैंने. Indian Navy has how many boards? 5. 4. 12 SSB Bangalore, 33 SSB Bhopal, Naval Selection Board Vizag and SSB Kolkata. ये अभी somebody gave the introduction, right? One amongst you guys. Founding team SSB Kolkata. Indian Navy का 4th board. I have made that board. I am a GTO. ये GTO structures जो है, I have designed that. I have designed the entire board. So trust me, whatever I am going to speak, every word is going to be valuable if you guys are really serious. And this lot also. Okay. How will you protect the sovereignty of the country? By diplomatic relations. So then Indian Foreign Service क्या कर रही है फिर? Why do you need Army, Navy and the Air Force? Start thinking, why did you come to Sainik School?
That's why being ready for war.
War and operations. War and operations, right? That means you have certain tools and equipments to get into war and operations. Right? Air Force has हवाई जहाज है, helicopters है, fighter aircrafts है, उन पे bombs लगे हैं, उन पे missiles लगी है, you have got warships, you have got nuclear assets, right? An army job is to capture the land or not let the captured land go into the hands of the enemy. At the end of the day, you have to do some bloodshed. Some bloodshed is going to happen, right? ठीक है? इसीलिए तो देखा है ना आप लोगों ने यहाँ पे कितने लोग वीर गति को प्राप्त हुए. शहीद is a wrong word. वीर गति, वीर is the right word. Okay? So ये bloodshed है, right? That means I have to give you power to kill. Am I correct or am I correct? Start talking. This side. I can't hear anything from this side. You guys don't want to go to Army, Navy, Air Force? Not interested? This lot. You guys don't want to go to the Army, Navy, Air Force? हाँ, अब आ रहा है मजा. अगर अभी तक ऐसी ही बात कर रहे हैं एकदम बिल्कुल ब्रेकफास्ट किया कि नहीं किया? ये प्रेजेंटेशन स्लाइड दिखा के कुछ खास मजा नहीं आने वाला. यहाँ बहुत कुछ लिख के रखा है मैंने और ये तो तुम लोग क्लास में करते ही हो. जब तक कम्युनिकेशन 2 वे नहीं है तब तक ऑफिसर भी नहीं बन सकते. ठीक है? क्लियर? ओके फाइन. सो आई हैव टू गिव यू व्हाट? पावर टू? पावर टू? व्हाई शुड आई गिव यू? गिव मी द आंसर. But who are you, my dear friend? 150 crore people in this country, correct? We are the youth-rich country. Population that's between 16 and a half to 35. Youth. Early adulthood, middle adulthood. This is the youth. Highest number of youths on earth, correct? Close to about, let's say 45% in India. 150 करोड़ का 45% कितना हुआ? अगली स्लाइड पे जाने के लिए इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर चाहिए मेरे को. चलो 40% बता दो. टेल मी. 15 fours are 60 crore people. Even if I assume that 60 crore में से age, first filter is age, correct? उम्र. इस 60 साल के बुड्ढे को तो फौज में नहीं भेजूंगा ना. बुढ़ापे तक पहुंचने के बाद ही would say मैंने have given my entire life to the Army, Navy and the Air Force, correct? Your starting is 16 and a half, NDA, National Defense Academy, correct? तो 60 करोड़ का अगर मैंने सोचा कि यार 60 करोड़ इज एज पर द एज. अब मेरे को एग्जाम क्वालिफिकेशन भी चाहिए, राइट? इवन इफ आई वर टू फिल्टर 10% मीटिंग द एजुकेशनल क्राइटेरिया, दैट्स स्टिल 6 करोड़, राइट? 6 crore people in our country are eligible to get into NDA after filtering age and education. This is just an assumption. 10%. Usme somebody wants to become a doctor, somebody wants to become an engineer, somebody will say I want to make a startup, next SpaceX will be in India. Who is the founder of SpaceX? Okay, so he says no, screw up, I don't want to do this. I'll make the next biggest startup. ठीक है. Anybody who knows Swiggy, Zomato? Zepto का नाम सुना है? Who made Zepto? 17 साल का लड़का. Zepto, youngest billionaire in India. He applied for his bachelor's in computer science to Stanford University. How many of you know Stanford University? अच्छे से हाथ ऊपर उठा. हाथ या ना, ग्रे एरिया नहीं होता. दिस इज ग्रे एरिया. फौज में देयर इज नथिंग ग्रे एरिया. सर यस और नो? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो स्टैनफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी? गो होम एंड रिसर्च स्टैनफोर्ड. ठीक है. सो दैट गाय मेड जेप्टो. अब तुम में से कुछ ये भी बोल सकते हैं ना, विल गो टू सम बिजनेस स्कूल, विल डू एन MBA. सो 6 करोड़ का 10% मेरी इच्छा है फौज में जाने के लिए, बिकॉज इट इज ड्रिवन बाय मोटिवेशन. Everybody does not choose this life, right? So it's 60 lakhs. Can you take a random guess how many people get into NDA हर साल? हाँ? 7?
350 to 400.
460 is the official number. Look at this. About 6 lakh people are filling the form. Like you. Your forms are sponsored by the school. इस साल का NDA 2, people who are promoted to class 12, your forms will be sponsored by the school, right? And then your SSB ka preparation is also the responsibility of the school, correct? Again, everything boils down to one question. Why should Services Selection Board give you the power to kill? If you have the answer to this question, I will recommend you. In a nutshell, इसी को SSB बोलते हैं. What happened? Smiling? I am a GTO. I am trained to look at multiple people at the same time. That's why I look at 10 people. So I can look at 20 people, I can look at 300 people also. I know who is shutting the eyes. I know who is looking down. I know who is paying attention. Trust me, you cannot escape my eyes. It's not a threat. Okay? I'm a GTO. Pay attention here. 6 lakh. उसमें से एग्जाम देने के लिए close to about only 3 to 4 lakh people will turn up. These are all official numbers. Written exam clear करना and SSB का call up आना is close to about 9,000. 2025 for one NDA, NDA 1, NDA 2, we called close to about 12,000 people. That's the filter. Written exam के बाद. Finally, who will get into the academy? Deserving boys and girls who should be entrusted with the power to kill. And that number is? Hey, bolo. Are you going to be in one of those? Why should you be given power to kill? इसको छोड़ देते हैं. See, this is the number 2024 summary. Look at this. This summary is 2024. 11 lakh applications, yeah. 7666 finally joined NDA. This is the summary. 150 करोड़ की आबादी में 8000 बच्चे भी नहीं ढूंढ सकता क्या मैं? What does it take to become an officer? तुम्हारी क्या अंडरस्टैंडिंग है? पहले तुम लोग मुझे समझाओ. मैं तो यहां पे 3 दिन खड़ा हूं. I will teach you. I will tell you. I will go to the every basic thing and I will make you do activities right here on this stage. But what do you think? What does it take to become an officer? Bolo. What qualities? OLQs. There are 9 billion people on earth. Everybody has got officer-like qualities. Officer-like qualities is nothing but a method to interpret your personality. Just like there are many other methods to interpret your personality. That I will tell you and show you. ठीक है? I have a master's in psychology just like your principal. Okay, चलो. बोलो. What does it take to become an officer? What do you guys think? You guys have spent what from class 8th to class 12th? 6th. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 years in the school, right? 7 years? And women? 7 years. 7 years in the school. Okay, my God. So you must have seen so many officers. इतने लोग आए, इतने लोग गए, बहुत लोग विजिट के लिए भी आए होंगे, मेरे जैसे भी आए होंगे. आई एम ऑल्सो एन ऑफिसर, आई एम अ वेटरन नाउ. But once a soldier, forever a soldier. So what does it take to become an officer? I want answers from this lot also. If you guys are feeling sleepy, I'll make you stand up. Yes? Moral values. What else? Bolo, bolo, bolo. You don't need to raise hand. Just stand up and speak. Baat karo.
The passion to achieve.
Passion. What?
Sir, value of time.
Value of time. Discipline. Very nice.
Sir, being calm at difficult situations.
Coolness in action and calmness in crisis bolte. Very nice.
Knowledge and character.
Knowledge and character. Very nice.
Sir, decision making.
Decision making abilities. Nice. What else?
Willingness.
Willingness. Very nice. What is willingness? बोलो, what is willingness? तुम लोगों को क्या लगता है? What do you guys think? Nobody is forcing you to come to the army, right? Nobody is forcing you to come to the army, navy and the air force. You are willing. Why? What? What is this willingness? Passion. What else? Motivation. What else? You guys are very good sportsmen. How many of you play basketball? Football, हॉकी, वॉलीबॉल. इधर कोई खेलता नहीं है, इधर कोई हाथ ही ऊपर नहीं कर रहा है. What, school facilities are very less for you guys? I don't think so. This school has got very good infrastructure. I am very amazed. मेरे को अगर ऐसा स्कूल मिला होता तो मैं तो पता नहीं कहाँ ही पहुंच गया होता. Yes, tell me. Okay, so how many of you know Red Bull? Red Bull athletes, extreme sports, extreme adventure. ये बहुत लोगों को पता है इधर. हाँ. So if you have all these qualities, why don't you become a Red Bull athlete? You'll get paid also very nicely. Why army? Now the next question is this. Why Indian Army? Why Indian Navy? Why Indian Air Force? सरकारी नौकरी चाहिए ताकि फ्यूचर सिक्योर हो जाए. Tell me. रिस्पेक्ट चाहिए. वो तो IAS IPS करने पे भी मिलेगा. हाँ हाँ. एनवायरमेंट. एनवायरमेंट नहीं होता. एनवायरमेंट. Adventure. Become a Red Bull athlete. Why army? Fighter jets. Very nice. Now is the answer. Things that you do, you can't buy that. वर्दी खरीदी नहीं जा सकती. You can't buy the uniform. That's the right thing. You have to pay the price. You have to pay the price by sweat and blood. The more you sweat in peace, the less you bleed in war. So now, guys, very nice. Okay. Second, I can handle stress. Have you ever been in any situation where your team is competing against another team for the last goal and you have probably last 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes? Have you seen that?
Yes, sir.
And the guy who is at the striker, पूरी team पे कितना pressure होता है? Have you guys heard this? Captain Dhoni, Captain Cool, under tremendous pressure also he is behaving very cool. उसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा, पूरी धरती देख रही है. Entire earth is watching. Right? There was a statement made by President Barack Obama that who is this Sachin Tendulkar man when he plays my उतने घंटे का for whatever duration he plays US का उतना per GDP whatever goes into creating that much amount of revenue or the growth potential for that country goes down. The entire workforce in US, Indian workforce, stops working and watches Sachin Tendulkar when he's playing, when he used to play. Okay, tremendous pressure on that one man, right? Stress handling capability, we are looking at that. ठीक है, गोली सामने से चलेगी. Suppose how many of you want to get into parachute regiment, special forces? बहुत सारे takers है भाई साहब. What do you think? Indian Army means only parachute regiment or what? Huh? How many of you want to drive tanks? Armored Corps, एक ही taker है Armored Corps वाला, 2. That's it. Fighter pilots. ये सबसे ज्यादा है. Everybody wants to become a fighter pilot.